Hello everyone. In this video, we'll walk through how to generate wireframes using VS Code with MockFlow WireframePro in under 2 minutes. Start by opening the MockFlow desktop app and creating a new wireframe project. Then head to your browser and copy the VS Code MCP server link from the MockFlow website. This is what we'll use to set up the connection. Next, open VS Code. Create a new folder, and inside it, add a file named mcp.json. Paste the copied code into this file and save it. Once you do that, the MCP server will start running and automatically connect with MockFlow WireframePro. Now let's try generating a wireframe. Add a prompt like, create a wireframe for a dental care service page with images based on the design in the current folder. Then just run it. Within a few seconds, the wireframe will be generated directly inside the MockFlow desktop app. Switch back to MockFlow, and you'll see everything ready there. The best part is, it's fully editable, so you can easily customize or export it whenever you need. And that's it. Using VS Code with the MockFlow WireframePro MCP server, you can turn simple prompts into fully editable wireframe layouts in no time.